Here I have OPPO Reno 5Z, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can change volume button. So you can set it as volume, as shutter, or as zoom. And now, as you can see, with volume buttons I can easily zoom in or zoom out. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.